This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Xcode on your Macintosh computer for free. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go and actually check that do I have Xcode or not. So Xcode, and as you can see we don't have the application, so we have to go to the App Store, which is in your dock, and then take that to full screen. We'd swipe up with the use of HyperDock, and now type into the search box Xcode, and we can install this. So if I just click on this itself and scroll through and see what it's all about. So it's an application that allows you to create apps on your Mac, so with the use of coding in different languages. And if I click on install, and this itself is a 4.5 gigabyte application which takes a lot of memory, but it's all for a good cause because it is in the category of developer tools. So the more you put in, the more you get out. Okay, so install, and it may take longer than expected, really depending on your internet connection. So it's calculating the time. Minimize this, go to the dock. So okay, I will fast forward the whole downloading process so we don't have to wait through all of that, because at the minute it's only like 2% is done. Okay, so once that has finished downloading, we can actually go to Launchpad and see how it's doing there. Okay, so once that has finished downloading and installing, we can open the application. But before doing that, we can close out of the App Store, free the memory. So now we are ready to go back into our Launchpad. Click on that, click on Xcode, and it says you must agree to both license agreements below in order to complete the installation and use Xcode. By clicking agree, you are agreeing to the terms of the software license agreements. So press agree, put in the password, installing all the components. So once that is installed, we can create a new project in Xcode. So just click on this and see what that's about. Single view app game, whatever, this and that. Click on this, go to next, and then you go through all this, click on next, and then you're ready to start coding and making applications. Okay, so if I just press cancel, close out of this. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.